Hi, you guys. We are gonna test the working of machine for our customer. Pressure of this machine is 160 ton. Length of machine is 8 foot. Okay, let's see the testing of this one machine now. Length of mirror is 2.5 meter. Okay, 8 foot. Thickness of metal is 8 millimeter. The metal is easily bent by machine after our eye press the pedal. Let's see the quality of bending. The bending angle looks very good. This is a lubricating system. We can use it to spray the lubricating oil to some parts of the machine. This is electrical of machine, and of relay is snake. This is the inverter. You can use it to change the speed of motor, so we can ensure the accuracy of bending angle. This is the bending table. When we bend a different thickness metal, we can know the pressure of bending by this table. There are limit switches. They are connected with the controller, so we can adjust the bending angle by controller. This is a cooling system. It is made from one fan and one pump. Pump transports the oil into fan, and fan transports the oil into tank, so it can lower the temperature of oil. We can adjust the fingers up and down. There are two cylinders. They are under the table. They can move up in upper cylinders down. It will supply pressure to the table of the machine, so the metal can be totally pressed to ensure the accuracy of bending angle. We can use lubrication device by this handle. Okay, buddy, there are information of this one machine. Thanks for your patience to finish all the watching. Thanks, buddy.